So hello everyone, I am back with another video. This video is something which many of you have asked me, that how I do my skin editing, skin retouching so fast. Now I am going to show you something very different. So let the intro roll and then we'll begin.
Double cup, big comparing, hold me nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui. I check the bitch like I'm out.
Today I am going to show you how I retouch my skin in less than 1 minute or so, and after that then I will show you how to do it in 30 seconds or so. So let's first duplicate the layer, and then after duplicating, just click Ctrl I to invert the image. It looks like a host, but it will look better. Now select vivid light from blend mode, vivid light, and after vivid light you will see it again looks like a ghost, but hold on, it will look good. Then go to others, then high pass, set the values to 24, like you will see 24, like this. Okay, click OK, and then we go to go blur. Okay, blur, and then we select like we put the number as 3.5, then we zoom into it and see, yeah, see the details are coming up. 3.5 is okay. Okay, click OK. Then we select the brush, we create a clipping mask first and then invert the clipping mask, and then we select the brush, make it nice and large, and then paint over the skin. Make sure the foreground color is white and paint over the skin, and you will see, like, ignore the eyes and the lips because those are not meant to be smooth. So just paint over the skin in a very refined and polished manner. Just zoom into it if you want to, and see, you see the skin is getting so smooth in so simple steps. Then you zoom it out and see, this is the before and this is the after. See, this is that easy and perfect. Now you have seen like the skin retouching in 1 minute or less. Now I will show you in 30 seconds or less. So let's get started. Now I'm going to show you how to do the same portrait retouching in less than 30 seconds or so. Yes, you have heard right, 30 seconds or so. So let's go to action gallery, then create a new action. Like let's paint, let's name is skin smoothing. Yeah, and then let us select an action key. I will select F11 for it, and then record, click record, and we have to do the same things which we have did for the previous one. Just duplicate the layer, then Control I to invert it, then select the blend mode to vivid light, then go to filter, then others, then high pass, select the 24 value 24, and then blur it 3.5 values, hit OK. Create a clipping mask, invert the clipping mask, and then go select the brush and hit the stop recording button. See, now your action is ready. So we delete this button and then just hit F11. See, it's applying the layers. Done. The layers are applied. Now you just select the brush, just paint over the skin, just like this. Paint over the skin. Avoid the eyebrows, the eyes, the lips, the nostrils. Avoid all those areas. Just paint over the skin. Done. It is that easy. So that's how you do a skin retouching in 30 seconds or less and 1 minute or less. So this is a quick tutorial. Now remember, you need to do all the blemish removal, all the pixel removal before you apply the skin retouching. Before this retouch, this skin smoothing will be done after you complete all the blemish removal, not before that. So hope you like this video, and if you like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to ring the bell button down there, and hit the like button if you like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. down there so that you stay notificated. Ah, kya?